Hmm?
And we have magnet. We did it! We did it! We made a flower.
Wow!
We made a bird. I'm Paris. And this is a toilet, and this is toilet paper. Hi guys! Get mad like Luca. And today we're gonna do magnet balls.
Ooh la la!
Check this. What?
Hmm?
Just this? Yes?
Okay.
Why it's so small? But it has my letter map. Let's open it, right? Sure.
Come on!
It's closed. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do with this. We have a box and we have magnet. What about more magnet? Yes, yes, more. Luca, this is for you. Thank you. Wow! Magnet. Wow! It looks cool. I know. White and black. White and black. It's heavy. Let's try. It's heavy. But we need more. Sure. Yeah, we have two. Heart. I make a video game. Smash, smash, smash. Let's make a sun. We did it! We did it! We made a flower.
Wow!
Let's make a grape. We made a grape. Look what I made. A plate. Nom, nom, nom. I made a heart.
Nice.
I made a French fry. Yay! I made a necklace. Wow! It's a cool necklace. A big nose. This is a nose. Let's make bracelets. Wow!
Hello.
Oh my God!
Cool.
We made a bird! I made a taco! Yummy! I'm tired! Look, I made a note! Spoon! I made a ball! I made weights. Oh, heavy. Try to guess what is it? It is a toilet. And this is a toilet, and this is toilet paper. Yay! I'm going to make a blister for Luca. Yay! Real brothers.